a completely different format today. I just felt the same way as this guy you see here on the screen. That's not because he has to repay his taxes, but because there are tools for creating images that do pretty good next to Midjourney. On the website of unofficial.ai, there is a comparison between Midjourney, FLUX, and a new competitor. I'd like to show you in a moment. Catch you on the artificialanalysis.ai website. I'll be right back. Before we jump over to the website of artificialanalysis.ai, I want to share a few images to show you that the process of realization is sometimes quite, may I say, refreshing. As a supporter of Midjourney, I'm out to defend my favorite. I know what I'm talking about, and therefore have a lot to tell you. If we now look at artificialanalysis.ai, artificial and analysis are written as a single word, then .ai. You'll notice that there are various models available for evaluation. This website serves as a non-partisan portal for comparing the different models. Here we have Blueberry, Flux, Ideogram, and Flux again. This website allows you to compare the individual benchmarks, so to speak, and take a look at what the individual software solutions offer. If you click on the leaderboard here, you will see a new model in first place. This model is called Blueberry 0 and 1. Next in line is Flux Pro, then Ideogram, and finally my favorite Midjourney. I hope that the guys at Midjourney will pick up the pace with version 6.2 or 7. Next, there are other AI text-to-image models, such as Stability or Playground. You can dive even deeper. What is this new Blueberry model, for example? In this section, image quality, generation time, which is obviously very low here, and price are compared. If you scroll further down, you will see that Blueberry is relatively well listed. If we now look at external sources and ask ourselves, what is this Blueberry? This article, for example, speculates that Blueberry is a model of OpenAI that could be launched on the market as a universal platform, even with audio integration. Most users are probably familiar with the other providers on the leaderboard. FLUX.1, with its 3 versions, can also be found here. A distinction is made between FLUX.1 Pro, FLUX.1 Dev, and FLUX.1 Schnell. The image creation speed, especially for the Pro version, is 17.9, which is relatively high in comparison within Flux. If you take another look here, Ideogram follows, and then Midjourney. On this page, you can see a direct comparison on how Midjourney performs. The shocking thing for me, I'm sorry to say, is that Midjourney is at the higher end of the price scale. It says, lower is better. Midjourney is on the far right, with $82.50. The image creation times are just under 60 seconds. I have already made a video about this. Maybe you've seen it yet. This website confirms my observation at the time. If you compare it with the other providers, FLUX.1, Schnell comes in at 0.6 seconds and Midjourney at 60.9 seconds. Pretty extreme. The only thing that keeps the competition even is the quality of the image creation. If you look at the details here, that's the decisive factor for me in this context, regardless of price and speed. With Midjourney, this is still very high. On this page, you can see the so-called ELO comparison. The statement is, higher is better. Midjourney is in 4th place after Blueberry, Flux, and Ideogram. There is also this arena win rate. What exactly is that? How are the results determined? If we go back to the home page, we will see the Image Arena button in the top right-hand corner. Every user can participate and rate images. If you click on it, you will be redirected to another page. There you will find 2 images. These are anonymous, i.e., the user does not know which AI model was used to create the image. You can then click on your favorite and contribute to the positive rating. There is even the option to submit your own prompts. I have submitted, a dinosaur sits at the table and eats ramen noodles. If artificial analysis now considers this suggestion to be interesting, the image result is suggested to users for evaluation at the top here. But what is really surprising to me is that Midjourney is relatively far down in the ranking. Even the overall score and the arena ELO with 1098 is still very good. The question now is, how do we get access to Blueberry? I have already made a video about FLUX.1. The market for image generation continues to move forward. Very exciting. Nevertheless, I remain loyal to Midjourney. You will get further tutorials from me. That was a small insight. If you want to discover the whole concept for yourself, go to artificialanalysis.ai's website. This is like a racing event. Follow and cheer on your favorite platform. As you can see, I don't just make suggestions on how to prompt better or what special functions are available. Sometimes, analysis is a very important part of my work, so that you can decide what the basic options are. This helps to find the best platform in terms of quality or price. Next time, I'll provide you with more images again. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and recommend it to others. Thank you very much for listening. See you soon. Your channel, AI. Now you know.